Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt from V-Twin Visionary, and I'm here today with a couple custom cuts from First Manufacturing. These guys have been in the game since the early 80s making leather stuff, and they've really stepped it up over the past 4 or 5 years for our kind of riding. Not just leather stuff, they do denim and canvas, and you can go online to their custom vest builder and mix and match thousands of stuff. Here's a couple. This one's a pretty murdered out version. It's canvas and leather, all blacked out, no collar because I don't have a neck, with black stitching, real black on black. This one, on the other hand, we went kind of wild with. This one has the hornet pattern up top. As you can see, it's a honeycomb. It has a really cool liner of gold paisley, and it is actually black denim on the bottom. You can mix and match any stitching, any color. You could do pretty much anything that you can upload online for the liner. I'm gonna do a video walking you through how to order real soon, so stay tuned for that. But until then, check out First Manufacturing on social media and on their website.